Hello students, welcome to my quick video to show you guys how to navigate in Naviance students of how to locate enrichment programs and the scholarship list. You're going to go up to the top to the colleges tab, click on that tab, and then to locate the scholarship list, you're going to scroll down and click on scholarships and money. Then you're going to click on the scholarship list. To look for college specific scholarships, you'll enter your information here where it's applicable. And to find local and regional scholarships, you're going to click on this link here. There is an opportunity for you to do filters. So you can type in keywords for scholarship names. You can look at different categories for scholarships, even putting in your specific grade level, leadership, different types of majors, if it have a service requirement, if it has an essay requirement, is it need-based or merit-based scholarship. So make sure you guys are taking a look at these different types of scholarships that are out there available. To locate the enrichment programs list, you're going to click on the colleges tab. Then you're going to click on research colleges. Then there is enrichment programs listed there. You can look up by keywords, or you can simply search by a letter in the alphabet. There you go, guys. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me. Thanks so much and have a great day.